Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Chatfuel for free in 2026. If you want to build and test AI chatbots without purchasing a subscription, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Chatfuel website. Next, sign up for a free Chatfuel account or log in if you already have one. Now complete the initial setup and access your Chatfuel dashboard. Next, connect the platform you want to use, such as Instagram, Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp if the free plan supports it. Now create your first chatbot by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Next, customize your chatbot by adding welcome messages, automated replies, and conversation flows. Now save your changes and use the preview feature to test how your chatbot responds. Next, connect your chatbot to your selected social media account if it's available on the free plan. Now monitor your chatbot from the dashboard and make changes whenever needed. Finally, if you need additional features, higher message limits, or advanced automation, you can upgrade to a paid Chatfuel plan at any time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Chatfuel for free. You can now start building and testing chatbots without spending any money. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.